Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix command file system error in Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix this problem? So first you need to search cmd run as administrator, click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to type this sfc space less scan now. I will show you in notes this. First is sfc space less scan now. So type this command and press enter. And the second command, if you comment, so I will give in description box. You need to just copy and paste this command. So comment me. So if you comment, so I will give in description box this second command. So paste this second command, and this both command process will be complete. So you need to close it and restart your PC or laptop. So just to close it, click on start, power button and restart. Click on it. And after restart, you can easily fix this error in Windows 11 or 10. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video, share this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.